Class 9th Mathematics Chapter 2 Polynomials. Definition of polynomial: an algebraic expression that is a sum of terms. Each term contains only variables with whole numbers, exponents and real number coefficients. Means the power must be a whole number. Exponent means power. Power must be a whole number of the variable and the coefficients must be real number. Here are some examples of polynomial. First example is 3c plus 7. Here c is the variable, 3 is the coefficient of variable c. 3 is the coefficient of variable c, and we have two terms in this polynomial. First term is 3c and second term is 7. And 3 and 7 are both real numbers. So the coefficients are real numbers. This 3c plus 7 is a polynomial. Now come to the second example, 7x square minus 5x plus 3. Here 7, minus 5 and 3 all are real numbers. So real number coefficients. Now power means exponent must be a whole number. Here power of x in first term is 2 and in second term power of x is 1 and in third term power of x is 0. Means power 2, 1 and 0 are whole numbers. That's why it's a polynomial. Now in third example also, here the power of x and y variables are 4 and 3 and in second term also the power of x is 1 and power of y is 2. Hence it is a polynomial. Power is a whole number and coefficients are real number. 2 and 3 are real. Now standard form of a polynomial. Standard form of a polynomial is, if this is a polynomial 2x cube minus 5x square minus 2x plus 5. Here the first term 2x cube, the coefficient of x cube is 2. The coefficient of x cube is 2. This coefficient is known as leading coefficient, the first coefficient. And this is a cubic term since the power of x is 3. Now in second term the power of x is 2. It is a quadratic term. And in 2x power of x is 1. It is a linear term. Here 5 is a constant term. Now degree of a polynomial. Degree of the polynomial is equal to the largest degree of any term of the polynomial. We can take any term with the largest degree. Here 6p square minus 7p plus 3. In this polynomial, in first term power of p is 2. So here the degree of the polynomial is 2. This is second degree polynomial or quadratic polynomial since the highest exponent is 2. Now find the degree of 7x power 4 minus 2. Classifying polynomials by number of terms. If the polynomial contains one term, then it is known as monomial. For example, 4x. It has only one term. In second, if the number of terms in a polynomial are 2, then it is known as binomial. For example, 2x minus 7. If the polynomial has 3 terms, then it is known as trinomial. For example, 14x square plus 8x minus 5. Now, if the polynomial has 4 or more than 4 number of terms, then it is known as polynomial. For example, 5x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1. Now, next slide is classifying polynomials by degrees. If the degree of the polynomial is 0, means highest power of the polynomial is 0, then this polynomial is known as constant polynomial. For example, 3. Here there is no variable, means here variable to the power 0. 0 is the degree of the polynomial. So it is a constant polynomial. Now polynomial with degree 1 is known as linear polynomial. For example, 2x minus 7. Here power of x is 1. Now If the degree of polynomial is 2, then the name of the polynomial is quadratic polynomial. Here, this is the example of the quadratic polynomial. Here, degree of x is, power of x is 2. Now, if the degree of the polynomial is 3, then the polynomial is known as cubic polynomial. For example, 9x cubed plus 16. Here, power of x is 3. So, it is cubic polynomial. Now, if the degree of polynomial is 4, then the polynomial is known as quartic polynomial. For example, 23c4 plus 7c minus 2. The polynomial has 5 degree. Then the name of the polynomial is quintic polynomial. For example, minus 12h raised to the power 5 minus 3h raised to the power 3.